Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm with Accurate Lock, and I want to introduce the keyed emergency stop. So these are the keys. This is an emergency stop that you would use in a hospital setting, and we use these on patient room doors or a bathroom door in the patient room. And basically I have this prop here. This is the stop, and there's rubber on here. So imagine the door that swings into a bedroom. As it closes against the stop, okay? That's all it does, it closes against the stop. So you can see it that way, right? And the whole idea is that when there's a barricade situation, if a door is swinging into a bedroom, sometimes furniture can be moved up against the door. Sometimes there's a barricade event where a patient doesn't want anyone to come into the room. And so to counteract that, this stop is equipped with a small emergency key. And the key can be used by staff to unlock this stop and roll it out of the way so that now you can reverse the swing of the door. So if the door was traditionally swinging in, now the door can bypass that stop, swing out into the hallway to overcome the barricade. So this is K-ES, emergency stop, keyed emergency stop.